everyone, want to learn how to edit this?
Day in my life as Garfield. First I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I close my eyes again. By the time I roll out of bed, it's 12 p.m. Finally, I make way to the kitchen looking for something to eat for me and my cat. Ideally, it's lasagna, but why would there be leftover lasagna? After that, I start working by going back into bed and take a nap. If only my work was that easy. In reality, it's making sure our loved ones can live this type of lifestyle. Maybe one day I'll learn how to get paid for all these naps.
First, drop in your clips, then we'll add the voiceover. You can either import your own audio or use AI text-to-speech. To use text-to-speech, just type out your script. Then, click text-to-speech. You can choose any voice or you can clone your own. Now click Generate to generate the voiceover. It'll take some time. When it's done, it'll show up right below. Also, you can delete the text, it won't affect the audio. Now, let's work on the intro. First, freeze frame the first part of the clip. Then add basic blur effect. Then let's add some cursive text. I'm using title 33, and type Day in My Life As. Then add another text layer and search for Garfield to get this cute animated text. Next up, the lasagna part. Go to Effects and add a sparkle effect. Then throw on a black and white filter. And don't forget the nap time tint. It makes the lasagna look extra good. Top it off with a Garfield sticker. Also give the sticker a slide-in animation and add ease out Bezier curve to make the slide less awkward. It'll look like this after you add a Bezier curve. You can hide it by clicking Hide Keyframe Animation. Repeat the same steps for the next clip. Now, let's do the 3-frame comic effect. Adjust your first clip to the top, add a mask. Then add the other 2 clips and mask them the same way so it looks like a comic strip. For the border, go to Stickers, search Comic, and add that. Then head to Effects and use the border effect for that final comic vibe. Alright, last part, subtitles. We'll use AI captions to speed things up. Pick your language, click Generate. It might take some time to generate. And when it's done, you can edit the subtitles by clicking on it, move the text to the middle, and if you check presets, you can pick colors you like. Add an animation, then hit Apply to All so you don't have to edit each subtitle one by one. Click Save and that's it. Export and you're done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial.